Hello guys, from today onwards I am going to start tutorials on PHP especially for beginners. In this video today, first of all I will tell you that what is PHP, how will you create a local server on your computer, and we will run the very first program of PHP. You can use any of the software to write your PHP codes. I am using Visual Studio Code, which I have shown you in one of my previous video. I have made videos for JavaScript also, and in the beginning, in the second video, I had told that how you can install Visual Studio to write JavaScript code or to write PHP codes. First of all, let's talk about PHP. PHP is a language which is used for web development, and it is a server-side language. I had made some videos previously about JavaScript. You have seen in JavaScript that it is a client-side language, but PHP is a server-side language, and if you want to run PHP, then you should have a server. So you can create your server on your own machine also, and the software which we will use to create the server on our local machine is XAMPP. So let's create this server. First of all, we will go to here Google, and inside Google you can write here XAMPP XAMPP, and when you will click on XAMPP you can go here to download. Here you can see for Windows you can use the latest version. This is the latest version 8.0.2, and it is I'm having 64 bits, so I'll download this. So here we will download the latest version, so I am going to download it. Here you can see that the downloading has started. We will wait for it to get download. So by the time it gets download, let's talk about PHP. If I want to start writing the codes for PHP, first of all I will save it, and I will save it as I can save it anywhere. Right now I'll save it anywhere, but when I will create when the XAMPP will be downloaded and I will install XAMPP, then I will tell you that where I will put it. So here I have first of all I have put it into the desktop only, and here so I will save it as tutorial 1, and after that I will in the extension I will write here .php. Whenever I will write the codes in PHP, I will have to give it an extension .php. So here I have saved it. Whenever I want to write my PHP, I can write it inside. First of all, I will write here this sign, and after that I will write here this sign, and then I will write PHP. Okay, so after this I will click enter, and here to end it again I will write here the question mark and then this sign. So I will write my PHP code inside it only, and I can write PHP inside HTML also. For example, if I want like this, you can see here I am writing my PHP inside the body. Here I can write it here. So here again I will write this, then PHP, and to close it I will write here this sign and then close it. First of all I will write here echo. What do you mean by echo? Echo means that if I want PHP to print anything on my web page, then I use echo. Then I will put here double quotes and hello world. It is my first PHP program. The semicolon. I will again save it here. Here you can see the XAMPP has been downloaded. Now I will open it, show it in folder, and then here I will double click on it, and my installing will start now. So now the installation has started, and it will take some time to get installed. So as you can see here that the installation has been finished. So we will click on finish, and here you can see that XAMPP control panel has opened here, and you will click on start here in front of Apache. You can see here start. MySQL is there. You will click on start here also, but MySQL I will tell you about this later, so we will not start it right now. We will start Apache from here. But if you close it because of some reason, then how you can get this control panel of Apache here? Click on here and write XAMPP here. XAMPP. You can see here XAMPP control panel. You click on it, and here in front of Apache you will click on start. So when you will click on start, you can see here that Apache status change detected and is running. Your local server has been created. Now if you go to your browser, and here if you will write localhost and click, and you can see here it has shown this XAMPP app and all these things. So why it is showing all this? Because by default this is what is present there. When you will click here on local drive C, here you can see we have a folder XAMPP. You click on it, and in XAMPP you will have to go to htdocs. In htdocs you can see here you have index.php. This file is the default file which will be opened always whenever nothing new you have created. There is a default file which is named as index.php, which will be opened by default. If you will give the name of your file as index.php, then the XAMPP folder will take it as the default file to be opened. Now here what I will do is I will create a new folder of any name. Inside this folder I will create a folder and I will give it any name. For example, suppose I am giving it name as the PHP folder. Okay, I'll give this name to this folder, and inside this folder I will take this index file also. I will click on Ctrl X and I will take this file here inside the PHP folder. And also I had created the program. I had written the program in my Visual Studio Code. This program, this also I will save here uh, inside this folder only. So I'll save it as save as. Here I will go to local disk C, and here is the XAMPP, and inside XAMPP I will click on htdocs, and in htdocs I have created this folder which is PHP folder, and I will name it as tutorial1.php. so I will write it here, I will save it here. Okay, now I have saved it inside my server, inside the server in htdocs. Okay, and because I had told you that this is index.php, which is the file, it will always be opened by default. So I will have to change its name also. So I will change its name. I will change the name to something else, and let's say I'll name it as file1.php. Okay, so now I have changed the name, so it will not be opened. I will open only whatever I want to open. So again I will go to my this browser, and here I will click on again write localhost, and when I'll click on localhost you can see it has not taken any file by default, because by default it was taking that file which was named as index.php, but now I have changed the name of index file, that is why it has not taken any file as by default. So it is asking me now which file I should take. So here you can see I have created this folder here, PHP folder, and I'll click on this PHP folder, and here I have created this file, that is tutorial1.php. and in this if I will click here, you can see this is hello world. It is my first PHP program. This is what it has written, because I had only made it to write only this thing for me. Okay, echo, and here hello world, it is my first PHP program. So this is how you can write your first PHP program. So I hope you liked my video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.